Are we witnessing a potential power shift in the tech world, with Nvidia poised to replicate Intel's historical dominance? Let's dive into the competitive landscape and what the future potentially holds for the chip manufacturing industry by comparing Nvidia and Intel to giants in this field. First, a look at their market capitalization. Highlighting the growth trajectories of both companies, observe the contrast in their market valuations and how Nvidia has surpassed Intel in certain periods. Nvidia's advancements in parallel processing, fueled by their dominance in GPUs, is revolutionizing fields like artificial intelligence, data centers, and gaming. Intel, on the other hand, faces challenges adapting to these fast-evolving market trends. The market trends are clear. Nvidia's focus on specialized processors and software has given it an edge, while Intel's traditional approach to broad market CPU struggles to maintain leadership. The industry's technological advancements are also favoring players like Nvidia, where focus is on highly specifying applications. The future hints at a consolidation in the chip manufacturing space, and Nvidia's ability to innovate is crucial while both tech giants explore emerging technologies and future market capabilities. Nvidia's trajectory suggests it might emulate Intel's success of the past. This has been our deep dive into the competitive landscape. Subscribe and stay tuned for more tech insights.